Stop scrolling right now. If you think WWDC 2026 is just going to be another boring software event, you are completely wrong. Massive leaks have just surfaced, and the entire tech world is in shock. Everyone is currently searching for what to expect at WWDC 2026, expecting basic updates for iOS, macOS, and iPadOS. But insider sources have just revealed something massive. Apple is secretly preparing to drop up to 7 insane new hardware products in just a few weeks. We are talking about next-generation chips, massive redesigns, and a complete takeover of your smart home. If you want to know exactly what Apple is hiding, you need to watch every single second of this video. The final leaked product on this list is going to completely change how you use Apple devices forever. The Mac desktop revolution. Let us dive straight into the most searched topic right now, the highly anticipated Mac lineup. The number one question people are asking is, will there be a new Mac Mini in 2026? The answer is a massive yes. Apple is getting ready to unleash the brand new M5 Mac Mini. This is going to be an absolute powerhouse. We are expecting the standard M5 chip and the incredibly powerful M5 Pro chip. The design will likely stay the same sleek shape we got with the M4, but the real magic is inside. Apple is finally killing the tiny storage options. Leaks suggest the baseline M5 Mac Mini will start at a massive 512 gigabytes of storage. The M5 Pro model, that will jump straight to 1 terabyte. But you need to hear this massive warning. A huge supply chain leak just confirmed that Apple is facing a catastrophic shortage of unified memory RAM. They literally cannot buy enough parts to build these M5 chips fast enough. This means the new Mac Mini might be announced at WWDC, but getting your hands on one will be almost impossible. They might face massive shipping delays right out of the gate. This exact same RAM crisis is directly hitting the second leaked product, the new 2026 iMac. If you're searching for new iMac 2026 rumors, here is the truth. The beautiful 24-inch design is staying, but Apple is ripping out the old internals and dropping in the brand new M5 chip. Just like the Mac Mini, the base storage is finally jumping to 512 gigabytes. It will be the ultimate all-in-one desktop. But again, if Apple cannot fix this severe RAM shortage in the next month, the new iMac release date could be pushed back completely. The professional powerhouse delay. Now, what if you're a hardcore professional? You are probably searching for the Mac Studio M5 Ultra release date. Well, I have some insane news, but it comes with a painful reality check. The third leaked product is the brand new Mac Studio. This machine is designed to hold the terrifying power of the M5 Max and the legendary M5 Ultra chips. It will handle heavy 8K video editing and massive local AI processing like it is nothing. However, top insiders like Mark Gurman are reporting a major problem. Because the Mac Studio requires massive amounts of unified memory, it is the biggest victim of the current RAM shortage. Apple is terrified of releasing this beast only to have it immediately sell out for the rest of the year. They absolutely hate bad press. Because of this, massive leaks point to the new Mac Studio being delayed. Apple might completely pull it from the WWDC lineup and quietly release it late in the fall of 2026 instead. Apple Intelligence takes over the living room. Let us move away from the Mac computers because things are about to get really crazy. The fourth potential product is one that nobody saw coming. We are talking about a radically overpowered Apple TV 4K. If you look at Apple TV redesign rumors, you will see that Apple has ignored the living room for years. But that changes at WWDC 2026. Why? It is all about Apple Intelligence. We are expecting the massive reveal of tvOS 27. This new software will heavily feature advanced AI tools and smart home controls. The current Apple TV runs on an old A15 chip. It is way too weak to run local AI models. Apple literally has no choice but to release a new Apple TV. Leaks say they're dropping the insanely powerful A17 Pro chip right into this tiny black box. This will instantly turn the Apple TV into a high-end gaming console and the ultimate smart home hub. App developers desperately need this new hardware immediately to test their new AI features, making a WWDC launch almost guaranteed. This massive AI push BR brings us directly to the 5th and 6th leaked devices, the standard HomePod and the HomePod Mini. Siri AI Update 2026 is trending heavily right now. Apple is finally killing the old, frustrating Siri. They are replacing it with a highly advanced, fully conversational AI chatbot. But just like the Apple TV, your current HomePods are simply not smart enough or fast enough to process this new AI. They lack the neural engine power. To make this new Siri work perfectly, Apple is being forced to release brand new HomePod hardware. The outer acoustic design will look exactly the same, but the inside will feature cutting-edge silicon built specifically for Apple Intelligence. Your voice commands will process instantly, right inside your home, without ever going to the cloud. The ultimate wild card. Finally, we have reached the 7th leaked product. This is the absolute wild card. Millions of people are searching, when is the next iPad coming out? The answer is shocking. Deep supply chain rumors reveal that Apple has fully finished a brand new, entry-level base iPad. And the craziest part? It is getting the powerful A18 chip. This is huge. It means Apple's absolute cheapest tablet will finally be able to run Apple Intelligence. It will bring highly advanced AI to students and everyday users. But will they actually show it at WWDC? Probably not. Apple has a very strict marketing pattern. Later in September, they will reveal the iPhone 18 with the new A20 chip. By holding this new iPad back until September, they create a perfect two-generation gap between their budget tablet and their premium phones. The hardware is ready right now, but Apple is going to lock it in a vault until the fall. So there you have it. The M5 Mac Mini, the new iMac, the delayed Mac Studio, the overpowered Apple TV, the dual HomePod refresh, and the secret base iPad. In my opinion, dropping the A17 Pro chip into the Apple TV is the smartest move Apple could possibly make. It completely destroys the competition and turns your TV into a powerhouse. Which of these 7 leaked devices are you the most excited about? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. If you love this video and want to stay ahead of all the biggest Apple leaks and tech news, please subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.